This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, May 5th. Yesterday, stock index futures put in a very good performance. This sparked by comments from Fed Chair Powell in his press conference, basically ruling out a 75 basis point hike in rates at the June meeting. Of course, yesterday the Fed did raise by 50 basis points, and that was as expected. However, today it's a whole different story. As traders realize that the Fed is still on track to be aggressively raising interest rates all through this year, probably well into next year. So it still is the Fed that's dominating, and of course the geopolitical issues. Looks like there are better opportunities though in the currencies. Yesterday the dollar index declined with Powell's comments, but today very much a reversal with the dollar sharply higher. And I do think that this congestion pattern that we are seeing will be taken out to the upside, as the Fed is still likely to be the most aggressive of the major central banks in hiking rates. So any breaks should be used as buying opportunities in the dollar. By the same token, the yen is sharply lower today, and I would expect that trend to continue. So any rallies in the yen should be used as selling opportunities. Also, we had the Bank of England in their policy meeting today, raising rates as expected, but their statement was not quite as hawkish as many analysts had anticipated. So that took the pound to a 2-year low. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing the bonds now at their lowest level since November of 2020. So the trend on the bonds is still lower. In fact, the entire yield curve futures is likely to trend lower. Right now, that is being spearheaded by the bonds. So nothing changing there. Any rallies should be used as selling opportunities across the board in the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone, and they're not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.